In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a query in Microsoft Access. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go up to the Create tab on the ribbon, and we're going to go to Query Design. So we click on this. Then now we need to add the table. But before we add the table, let us add the table. So we add this table. We add this table, right? And what we're going to do, we're going to widen this box so that we can see all of the field names. Or we're going to go to the customer information table. Yes. I'm going to go to the customer order table. All right. Let us go now to the relationships and check our relationship. Okay. There is no relationship here, so we're going to establish one, right? So to establish one, what we need to do, we need to click on this cell and drop it on the customer code. We're going to enforce referential integrity. We're going to press create. All right, we need to close these two tables before we do that. All right, so I'm going to close this table, this table. All right, so we're going to create a relationship. Now we're going to drop this customer code on this one. Going to enforce referential integrity. Click OK. All right, there's a one-to-many relationship. All right, so we're going to go to query 5. And what we're going to do, we're going to bring down the field names that we want. So we need the last name, the first name, then the title, then the address. All right, so with the product customer order table, we're going to bring down the product name. Is the item on sale? And the selling price. All right, so here under the criteria, we're going to look for the items that are on sale, and we're going to type yes here. And we only want to show we don't want to show the address, so we uncheck this box. Then we go to create, we go to query design. All right, let's come back to here. All right. Here now we can press this run button and we'll execute our query. So the software will look through the items which are checked to be on sale, and we should see about 3 items. All right, so there we have the 3 items. We have the shoe on sale and the boot and the pants. All right, so let us go back to our query design. All right, this is what we would have. All right, so let's put this here. Now we're going to close the relationships. Yes. Here I have the design view for the query. So here we would, the first step is to add the tables that you want to do the query on, right? Then what you would do, you would carry down the field names. Then you would, if you are doing it, writing it using a pen, then you would write the table name that the field is in, right? Then you write the different fields on the table. And if you want to show the information in the query is a search, what you would do, you check the box if you want them to be shown. Then the criteria that you're looking for, you type it under the respective field. So in this case, I'm looking if the item is on sale. And because we had used a boolean, we put yes here, right? So this is how you would um, write the query. You would draw the table boxes, and if you have a or, you would write or here, right? So if you're looking for the selling price, you could put the selling price in the criteria. For example, if you're looking for, let me change it. If you're looking for 100, you'll write 100 here. Or if you're looking for 50, you would put, sorry, for example, you're looking for 11. So if you're looking for 100 or 11, this is where you would type it. And this is how you would write up your query if you're writing it in pen.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.